Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I've got another half and half pizza recipe for you. So let's get started. To activate the yeast, we need half cup warm water. To the warm water, add 1.5 teaspoon sugar and mix till the sugar is dissolved. If you don't want to use yeast, you can check out my another pizza recipe without yeast and use that base in this recipe. Now add yeast and gently mix for 5 to 7 seconds. Cover and let this mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This is a very important step, so set it aside. Now to a bowl, add 3/4 cup whole wheat flour, that is गेहूं का आटा, and add 3/4 cup maida. You may use 1.5 cup of maida or 1.5 cup of wheat flour, but I'm using half and half. Then add salt. 1/4 teaspoon pizza seasoning mix, or you can add only oregano. If the yeast blooms or gets activated like this, then only go ahead and use it in the recipe, otherwise your dough would not rise. So add the yeast mixture to the to the flour and mix well. Add a little water and make a soft dough. After the dough comes together, you need to continue kneading it, stretch and pull it for 10 minutes. If you have a stand mixer, add all the ingredients to its bowl, and once the dough comes together, you can knead it for 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. Now add the dough to a bowl, apply some oil so that the top layer of the dough doesn't dry out. Place a lid and set this in a warm place till it doubles in size. The doubling time would depend on the temperature in your region. Might take 1 to 2 hours. Then bring some water to a boil and add some salt. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cup penne pasta. You may use macaroni or fusilli or any other pasta. I'm going to prepare 2 types of pasta, so half of this would go in one type of preparation and half in another one. Once the pasta gets cooked, remove it from the pan. Transfer to a bowl. You may run some cold water, but I'm not doing that. I'm directly drizzling some oil so that the pasta doesn't stick with each other. Set the pasta aside. Now in the same boiling water, I'm adding broccoli. This is approximately 3/4 cup broccoli. You may add more if you like it. Boil the broccoli till it's almost done. Leave a little crunch. If you do not want to use broccoli, you can skip this step. Do not throw the pasta water, because to adjust the consistency of sauce, you can use this pasta water. Heat a kadai or pan and add approximately 2 teaspoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Saute till the garlic turns slightly golden in color. Next add tomato puree. Just grind 2 medium-sized tomato in your mixer grinder. Half teaspoon red chilli powder, some salt. Next add some pizza seasoning mix. These days it's very easily available. Mix well. Use Kashmiri or Pyadgi red chilli powder so that your sauce gets a nice red color. Cover and cook till the oil separates and there is no raw smell or taste of tomatoes. Next add 1 teaspoon sugar and mix well. Now add pasta. I'm using half of the boiled pasta, then 1/4 cup boiled sweet corn. Do not add the entire pasta because we need to make another preparation, so set it aside. Mix well. Now add some cheese. I'm using a processed cheese cube. I'm using half of it. You may add one entire cube if you want. You may add a little pasta water to adjust the consistency of the sauce. Our delicious red sauce pasta is ready. Finally add 1 to 2 teaspoons of homemade cream. This is the same cream or malai that gets collected on top of the milk after you boil it and let it cool down. This looks delicious, but set it aside and move to the next step. To another pan or kadhai, add 1 tablespoon butter, approximately 1 tablespoon, a little here and there is okay. Then add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and fry till the garlic gets slightly golden. Then add 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour. Keep the flame between low to medium and continuously mix it. The all-purpose flour would start bubbling and also there wouldn't be any raw smell. Then add milk. The milk should be either at room temperature or you can use cold milk. Continuously stir and you would notice it would start to thicken. As soon as it slightly thickens, add 1 cheese slice, or you can add a processed cheese cube. Next add 2 to 3 teaspoon malai or cream. I'm using the homemade cream that gets collected on top of milk after you boil it and let it cool down. So you don't need to buy any cream from the market. Add some pasta water to adjust the consistency of the sauce. Then add the remaining half from the boiled pasta, broccoli, some salt. You can add sweet corn here as well, skip broccoli or add more vegetables, totally up to you. Then 2 pinches of crushed black pepper. Gently mix. Our delicious white sauce pasta is ready. Let's move to the next step. The dough has doubled in size, so the next step is to roll it and make pizza. You can spread the dough using your fingers or you can use a rolling pin. Grease your pizza plate with some oil and place this dough inside. Next step is to add the prepared pasta. So a semicircle of red sauce pasta and another semicircle of the white sauce pasta. Next add some mozzarella cheese, approximately half cup or less than that. We've already added cheese in both the preparations of pasta, so add cheese accordingly. To make the pizza without oven, you can see the instructions on the screen, but today I'm going to bake this in my OTG. If the plate or the amount of dough is too big for your kadhai, you can make 2 small pizzas with this recipe. So our pizza is ready, looks delicious. You may drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and finally add some pizza seasoning. Slice it and serve it right away. Enjoy 2 pizzas as well as pasta in one pizza. This tastes fantastic. You can host a party and prepare this pizza. Everyone would love it. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.